Look at this. This is John in Los Angeles. I'm in Rolling Hills, California right now. It's about 3:30 on April 24th. Feeling like the last man on earth, by the way, at the movie theater here. There's nobody here. There used to be people around the fountains and all this stuff out here. Just look at this. It's a dead zone. So they've taken everything away. Your beaches, your movies, your parks, recreation, bike paths, you name it. And this morning, I got up, I heard some noise outside, and there were these crews with these machines spraying goop in the cracks in the road. I mean, it was burnt rubber, like it smelled like burnt rubber everywhere. So I went outside, and I was hassling them, you know. I said, where's your safety data sheet and all that stuff? We don't have one. They're trying to tell me that this is only as toxic as tires. Yeah? Well, it smells like tires. It smells like burning tires. So I'm talking to them. And they called the police on me, of course, because they thought I was hassling them. I was just asking because I'm tired of being poisoned from every freaking angle. They're getting away with it. With all this lockdown stuff, I see the 5G guys out here and all this stuff. People doing stuff to the streets that we don't know what they are and whatnot. But anyway, so they call the police, right? So I'm standing there with my camera and all that stuff. And the police comes up to me and he gets out of the car. He goes, how can we help you? And I told him that I thought what they were doing was toxic. And he goes, well, I agree with you on that. I don't have jurisdiction to do that. And then I said, you ever see them spray the sky? And as soon as I said that, he lit up. He lit up like a Christmas tree, and he talked about everything. All the stuff you're looking at in the sky here. We talked about the chemtrails. And I noticed he didn't have a mask on at all. And I said, so you're not wearing a mask? And he leans into me with his big smile. He looked like The Rock, or that big muscly guy. And he goes, I'm not wearing a mask. This is a hoax. And I was so happy to hear that. So we had the best conversation, talked about everything, UFOs, you name it. And he shook my hand, and the people that called the police on me were like pissed off because he was being so nice to me. So that was a good day. And one other thing today, I was in my market that I always go, Mother's Market. And there's two ladies in there without masks on, right? So I said, wow, guys, you're not wearing masks, huh? Good. And they said the same thing as the police officer. He said, no, it's a hoax. And so we had a great conversation there. I've talked for quite a while. And then the manager comes over and he says, you three got to wear a mask in here. It's a mandate. The governor mandated the mask. Who is a grocery store employee? How is he allowed to make you wear a medical mask? Shouldn't it be from a health expert or something? But this is ridiculous. The masks are going to be the next epidemic. I'm telling you guys, the masks are harming people. You're rebreathing everything over and over again. You get no oxygen, and people are jogging in these things. Can you imagine? Look at all this stuff in the sky. I just came from Whole Foods over there too. Everybody's in line. It's 1,000,000-degree heat. And then I see spray every now and then, and this stuff in the sky is all that. And they're making them stand out there in this heat with their masks on, sweating, snot coming out of their nose and everything. It's great. Anyway, sorry it's not that interesting of a visual here, but I just wanted to tell you my day. Alrighty? So I'll talk to you soon. Oh, there goes my phone. Perfect.